going to share 3 wonderful and amazing DIY lazy Susan ideas that you can use to organize different things, as you can see in the video. And the most important thing is that you will not have to spend money to make these lazy Susan. All ideas are of no cost. We will reuse some old material that we all have in our home. So let's get started without skipping. Here I have collected some empty jam bottles and I'm going to reuse them to fill up the spices because they are transparent and everything is visible in these glass bottles. They are easy to wash and also looks pretty. So let's move to idea number 1. Here I have taken some bottle caps. And one more thing I have taken, this is the round shaped cardboard roll. You can take anything like this, like empty roll of tissue paper. Now we will measure its length according to jam bottle, and from here I will cut it with a sharp knife. Or you can also use the cutter if you have. And I have cut it, it's ready to use now. I'm using this thing because I'm going to make 2-layer lazy Susan. First of all, we will make the base of lazy Susan. For this, I have taken a couple of plates, and on one plate, I'm going to stick all the bottle caps with the help of the double-sided tape. Or you can also use the glue gun to stick these bottle caps over the plate. Meanwhile, if you are enjoying the video, then give a thumbs up, and if you came first time on my channel, then subscribe the channel, and also let me know your good name and from which country you are watching my channel so that I can send you special greetings in my next video. Today's greeting is for Jacqueline from Florida. And here you can see it's spinning easily. Our lazy Susan is ready to use, and now we will place all the spices jars over it, and in the center we will place the round shaped cardboard roll. And now I'm going to stick double-sided tape to fix one more plate over it. And now it has become the second floor. And here you can place some more spices jars. Now you can see our lazy Susan is ready to use. It's rotating easily and every glass bottle is accessible. Now let's move to idea number 2. Idea number 2 is also very amazing. Here I have taken one more plate, and now I have taken some pearls and put the pearls over it. And now we will place another plate over it. Now you can see it's spinning easily and the lazy Susan is ready to use. This idea is very easy and simple. And here I have taken an empty glass jar of honey and one more jam bottle. And this is the only glass that is left. All other glasses of this set have been broken. And now the beautiful lazy Susan is ready to use. Now I'm going to organize all my spoons and forks in this lazy Susan. And now you can see it's easily rotating and accessible to everything. And you have seen that they are very easy to make. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are enjoying the video, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me. And also share it with your friends and family members. Now let's move to the next idea. Here I have taken another plate, and one more thing we will need. This is a pot lid. If you have any extra pot lid that is not in your use, then you can use it to make lazy Susan. First of all, we will place the pot lid, and then we will stick the double-sided tape over it. And now we will fix the plate over it. And now you can see it's spinning. Now the lazy Susan is ready to use. And now I'm going to organize all my sauces and the oil bottle. And you can see all the 3 lazy Susans are rotatable and accessible to everything. And in this way, you can organize all the things in your home and kitchen without spending money. And you can use these lazy Susans for multi-purpose. You can also use them for refrigerator or your dressing area. And you can keep them according to your need. As I have placed this lazy Susan in my kitchen cabinet. And now you can see all the things are organized in this cabinet. And everything is visible and accessible. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.